Are you looking to boost your efficiency and productivity in NetSuite? You've come to the right place. SuiteMatrix IT Solutions, and welcome back to our Tips and Tricks series. In today's video, we will show you how to set up file drag and drop for custom records. Let's dive in. Custom records are a powerful feature in NetSuite, enabling you to customize your database to fit your unique business requirements. However, handling files and documents related to these records can be labor-intensive. This is where the drag and drop functionality becomes invaluable. With drag and drop functionality, you can effortlessly upload and attach files to your custom records directly from your desktop. There's no need to navigate through multiple tabs and windows. Just drag the file and drop it in the designated area. And there you have it. In this video, we will guide you through the process of using the File Drag and Drop for Expense report. Go to Setup, Customization, File Drag and Drop Setup. On the Preferences page, provide values for the following fields. Enable File Drag and Drop. Check this box to enable File Drag and Drop on this account. Global Destination Folder. Save the files attached through File Drag and Drop to this folder. Error, Message Recipient. Set the recipient email address for File Drag and Drop error messages. If no recipient is specified, error messages are sent to all account administrators. Click Save and Next. On the Record Types page, click New File Drag and Drop Record Type to enable File Drag and Drop on a specific record. Provide values for the following fields. Record Type. Select the record type where you want to enable File Drag and Drop. Folder Name. Click the field to open the folder browser pop-up, and then select the default folder where files added to the record will be saved. Create a folder within the file cabinet. You can either choose it here or leave this field blank. If left empty, specify the folder name you wish to utilize in the folder pattern. Use Folder Pattern. Check this box if you want File Drag and Drop to create unique folders based on the specified folder pattern and save uploaded files there. Folder Pattern. Enter the folder path where you want to save uploaded files. You can use placeholders, surrounded with curly braces, with your desired folder name to create a folder pattern. Placeholders are not case-sensitive. Subsidiary ID saves files to a folder with the ID of the current user's subsidiary. Department ID saves files to a folder with the ID of the current user's department. Role ID saves files to a folder with the ID of the current user's role. Record ID saves files to a folder with the ID of the record where the file is attached. Click Save and Next. The summary page displays the preferences you have defined and lists the record types where you have enabled File Drag and Drop. Verify that the preferences you have entered are correct, and then click Finish. Congratulations! You have successfully used the File Drag and Drop feature in VRMA, a quick and simple method to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity in NetSuite. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out more helpful tips and tutorials from SuiteMatrix IT Solutions.